Hello everyone, I'm Roxy. It's my first time to appear in my video. Today I'd like to introduce you a different product made by HighReach. This one, HR8180. It's an RTU. RTU means Remote Terminal Unit. It's a computer device used to monitor and control the industrial processes or equipment. For example, it can be used in water treatment plants. Or it can be used to monitor the data of oil and gas facilities. It can also be used in some underground environment. Now let's look at this device. Firstly, I want to say something about the sealing performance. You can see the two rings. The two rubber rings are placed on each side of the RTU, and beside each cable, these two are covers. Beside each cover, there is a rubber ring inside, and here are some ports. Inside the ports, sealant is used to make with better sealing. All of these measures are used to promote the device's sealing performance and make it dust-proof, waterproof, and moisture-proof. Now let me introduce you about the structure inside. Inside of the housing, in the middle of the housing, there was an aluminum plate. In this side, it's a circuit board. The circuit board is connected with the port, this port. And on this side of the plate, there was a high capacity lithium battery. The battery made it possible for the RTU to be self-powered. Because the RTU is often usually used in some harsh environment, such as environment with absence of mains power supply, or with high humidity, with much dust. So it's very necessary for it to get self-powered. Okay, let's look at this side. The smallest one is an external antenna interface. The antenna can be connected with the RTU by this one. This one is used to connect the RTU with transmitters, such as pressure transmitters, level transmitters, or flow transmitters. And this is a debugging port. Let's tear it down. It's a RS232 port. It's a debugging port. The port can be used to debug the RTU before using it, and it can be connected with the upper computer with a cable by this port. Just like this. And this port can be customized to be RS485 output, just like this one. Okay. And on this side, it's a fair installation ring. We can use this ring to get it suspended. This can make it more convenient to operate. Now let's talk about the functions of the RTU. Firstly, the RTU has the function of collecting and transmitting data. It can collect output signal from different instruments and transmit the data remotely to our upper computer or to some irrelevant software. Also, we can download the data by this port. It can also provide a power supply for transmitters. DC power supply. Another excellent feature of the RTU is that there is a built-in Cyclic storage for monitoring data. This enables and ensures the data cannot be lost, even there is a power failure. Okay, that's all for today. If you are interested in any transmitters of our company, you can tell me and I will give you an introduction. That's all. Thank you. See you next time.